Good morning, everybody. We're here close to the town of Santiago da Guarda, and I'm going to show you an olive mill set in the countryside, as you can see here. I'm now at the rear of the mill, and you can see the remnants of a stone wall. Well, it is a stone wall that shows you the limits of this lovely property. Okay, this is the mill. It has a footprint of around 350 square meters and is located at the side of a country lane with good access. It's a tarmac road, and it has main sewage passing the front of the house, and there's also electric and water by the road as well. So let's go a little bit further, showing you the land. There's some beautiful views in front of me here that you can see, distant mountains. Probably I would say that is over to the east. Birdsong. Some of the trees that have been left in the garden are madroño and cork oak, like you can see here. Okay, now the property is, as I say, an old olive mill. It needs obviously a lot of work, but could be turned into a really nice property, should you want it to be turned into a property. I don't think you would resurrect the mill, but who knows. Right, let's go and have a look. So we'll go out from the land. And there is a little track runs up the side of the property here also. I'll show you that. Okay. So we're going to go on the country lane now, and I'll show you the property from the front. Here you can see in the road access to the main sewage, and there's a view of the road coming in, and here is the mill. Okay, we're going to go in the first part of the mill first, as you would, and through this door here we have a covered area here with 1, 2, 3 pillars that you can see. This could be left in situ. You'd probably have to redo the roof, obviously, or taken down to create extra space at the front. So we'll go through the double doors. It's a little bit dark in here, but hopefully you're going to be able to see what's what. In we go. And to my left, it is very dark, but as I say, hopefully you'll be able to see. Okay, to my right, we have, there is a dividing wall to section off the mill from what I think this would have been the storage area for the mill, where you keep the end product, so to speak. The roof, as you can see, maybe you would get away with keeping the roof. Certainly the tiles. But as I say, this is a project. It would need somebody to come in, and this, by the way, the wood seen here wouldn't be part of it. This is going to be cleared out by the owner. The walls are in stone, I would say 55 centimeters thick. Here is another access to the main sewage. And this is the land belonging to the neighbour. And here you can see the mill once more. There are two windows here that are overgrown. So now we'll go into the main part of the mill. The entrance door here is surrounded in stone lintel, sill and reveals. And that's the type of window we have at the front and rear of the property. So in we go. So this is the wall now that we've seen from the other side. There is access here, but it's a little difficult at present. Here we have where the olives would be ground down into oil. A huge millstone here. Quite a real big one. There should be another, let me see. There is. So 2 millstones. Some of the apparatus needed to power the mill linked to some flywheels on top. So turning round, we have windows at the rear, and here that would be the gable end wall that you can see. The floor here is in concrete, and we have there has been a floor created above us. How good that is, I'm not too sure. Most of the apparatus that was used is here. I suppose it could be used in certain areas, stored to show exactly what it was like originally when the mill was in operation. So there you have it. As I say, we're in Santiago da Guarda. The property is being offered for a price of €115,000. It is negotiable, and it would be a dream project for somebody. I'll go outside again now, and then before I do that, just pan round again to show you this side, and then out into the nice winter sunshine. So there you have it. You can call us on 00351 916 270 953 or email us at the email address you see at the end of this video. Thank you.